Nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no. Hey guys, another workday is over. Cheers. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey guys, wagwan. Today is Monday. Welcome to another work week. Oh, weather's not too bad today. Thank God. It's gonna rise tomorrow, don't worry. And needless to say, one of my leaf is broken, but at least I've got one. So I'm back in the car. Yay! And I showed you this in my last vlog. I've got pineapple, watermelon, blueberry, and some Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna make a quick smoothie before I go in. Well, I don't know about you, but because today is Monday, I've got 4, because I've started today. I might not be in the building, but at least I've started. So I've got 4 more work days to go. I can't wait, man. My body is tired. I didn't vlog this, but over the weekend I went to Costco. Hey, you see, because it was hot, the people, they were queuing up and fighting for water. It was ridiculous. And thank God, sometimes you need to help people, because when I went there, I was a little bit early, as I know all the runnings on a Saturday go. I didn't know water was gonna be that scarce, because if you keep watching my vlog, you know I go on a monthly basis to get my water. So I was queuing up, and this couple came. I think they were from St. Martin, and they didn't want to queue up, so they went back into their car to sit down. But by the time they came back, the queue was like from here to Mount Zion. And she came beside me, and I said, "Don't worry, girl, you've been here before. Just stay here." But because I had to renew my card, I couldn't go in with them. I had to go to another part. Never realized what the drama was going on at the other side. And lucky, because the good deed I did, it was returned, because the man helped me to get my water. Else I wouldn't get no water. I wouldn't, because by the time I checked out, if you know Costco, when you go to the cashier and you pay for it, you have to keep your receipt. So when you're going through the exit door, there's some people there checking your receipt and checking the product. And there was this Jamaican guy there, and she said, "Data." I look, it was like about 11 o'clock, and the store open 10:30. And the boy said, "Data, you're lucky you get some water." Sorry, I was reading a text. "You're lucky you get some water, because the water finish." I'm like, "Hey, thank God, I'm so lucky. Oh my God. Oh, lucky again." But anyway, this is blended, but it's a little bit sour. So that's why you need to do good for people, and then it will come back to you. That's the motto. I need to go in now and get some banana for my smoothie, and I'll check in later and I'll tell you how my day went, whatever. See you later. Hi guys, my birthday is over. So officially I've got, today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 Thursday and Friday, 4 work days to go. Although Friday is a little bit different because it's just us doing manpower, no kids at school, which is fine. So now I finally made it home after doing some shopping, because tomorrow we going on our last trip. Trip days are not that special because tomorrow is gonna be like 28, I think 28, 30, around that degrees. So it's gonna be hot. Wasn't that bad today. I didn't have to bust out the fan today, so today is good. So you might say, ooh, I only vlog here, but not really. But the lighting in here is so good. Other places are so dark. Now I'm back home. I went to the supermarket after to get some things for my trip, some little snacks and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna wind down, do my bits. And then that's it, guys. Hope you're liking the vlog. It's just a work week, and you know how work goes. My work, you can't vlog there, so but that's fine. You get this girl. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, leave a little comment, drop a heart, blah blah blah. Big up your girl. Let she reach her goal where she want to reach, because you know I want to be big time. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. get my spring onions.
the next day.
Happy Tuesday, guys. What's going on? The week is going. I mean, because we're watching the clock, it's moving a little bit slow. But it is going because today is Tuesday. I know. Waking up this morning was okay. It was cool. The night was cold. It comes up cool in the morning like now. So I've got on a t-shirt, but I brought a jumper just in case because today is trip day. Today is the last trip. Hey, I'm so happy. It's gonna be a bit stressful because one of my teammates is down. So it's gonna be hard. If you get a new teammate, they might not know what to do, stuff like that. So it's gonna be a little bit stressful on me. But all is good. We'll ride through it through the day. I'm drinking my smoothie that I made from yesterday because it was a little bit sour. I had banana to it because I like to add banana on the day because I don't like when the banana turn it black. It puts me off. So I had banana and it was a bit much, so I split in two, so I have to make a fresh set today. But I hope your day is productive, and I hope you're looking forward to the summer holiday like I am. I can't wait. I know. I'll tell you why I can't wait in the next vlog. But it is what it is. It is cool now, but they said it's gonna rise up to 30. So let's see how that pans out. But I'm just checking in, guys. You be safe. Travel wisely. Don't drink and drive. And stay hydrated. And I'll check you back later. Hey guys, another work day is over. So now today's Tuesday, so we have one more full day. That's Wednesday, and an off day Thursday, and a no staff day Friday. So it's getting there. It's getting there. Went on a trip today. Was cool. It was in between. It gradually picked up, but the trip was so busy. We went to the zoo, and I didn't have any lunch. Oh my god, it was so hectic. But I'm here and alive. And guys, big things are coming. So you know what? You need to subscribe, comment, and follow to get it. So I'm going to chill now, eat some food and do my thing. So I'll see you. Hi guys, what's poppin'? So today is Thursday. Yesterday I did a vlog a bit, just a little intro, and that's it, because I had to run to do something. But today's Thursday, so Wednesday night England played against Argentina and England lost. That's a bit sad, but life must goes on. Anyway, we finally, it's not the end of the week, but we finally made it to the end of the school term. So we're on a summer break now, although I have to go in Friday, but no kids. Kids finish early today, but we finally made it. We're tired, but we finally made it. And I got two presents first. I got some flowers and a box of celebration from one parent. And then I got a gift bag, and you're not gonna believe what's in the gift bag. Let me show you. Let me show you. I opened it already. It's a hair dryer, and it says it's good for my hair too. my handbag. This is an expensive gift. It's from Carmen Compact New York Dry. That one, much appreciated. And then tomorrow's Friday. That's inset day. We have to go to school for training, and then we're gonna have a end of year barbecue. So let's roll on Friday. After Friday, I'm done until September. But we'll see what we see. Thank God, finally made it. Hi guys, it's Friday. We finally made it. Hey, school is over until September. Finally made it, guys. It was a rough 7 weeks, but it's over. Can give a break, and holiday time is activated. Look, it's hot today. We had barbecue, we had training, clean up on all the nice things. Not, but finally made it. It's Friday. Now, you're gonna get a different type of vlog because it's not a work vlog, innit? But I hope you're liking it. You know what? Please subscribe and give me a comment and a thumbs up. Trust this girl. Get me to the process, man. I've been vlogging. I'm trying to vlog every day and do my thing. But for those who are new, welcome. Appreciated. And you know, those who are watching consistently and making a comment, thank you. And keep it going, because your girl wants to reach our goal. Anyway, thanks for watching, and peace out until the next time.